I am a Jamaican living in the United States. ICE, stand down. I have my citizenship. I literally moved from island time to anxiety time.
In Jamaica, soon come means 3 hours away. Here in America, 5 minutes away means they haven't even put their shoes on yet. Over here, my friends get excited about 70-degree weather. I'm here in a parka looking for hot chocolate and a plane ticket back to Kingston. Spent half my life explaining that Yemen is not a legal requirement for every sentence I speak. I told my coworkers that I'm making rice and peas for lunch and literally spent the next hour explaining why there's not one single green pea in my bowl. Went to the bakery and asked for hard dough bread. The lady tried to give me day old baguette. I've never felt so alone. I saw a winter storm warning, and instead of going to pray, I had to go check to see if my heated blanket had a warranty. My American friends think I'm angry when I'm talking. I'm not. I'm just trying to fit 400 words of patois into a 10-second conversation.